मुख्य राजधानी दिल्ली के मौसम, कर्तव्य पथ और इंडिया गेट से मेरी सीधे ग्राउंड जीरो की रिपोर्ट। इस वक्त मेरी टीम जन हुंकार एपिसोड की शूटिंग के लिए पहुंची हुई है इंडिया गेट के पास। जैसे प्रत्येक दिन हम अपनी शूटिंग करते हैं, और खास ही सबसे बड़ी बात इंडिया गेट का एक नज़ारा, और कई लोगों से मिलाऊंगा, आज आपसे बातचीत कराऊंगा। जिस चीज़ के लिए इस जगह को जाना जाता है, अनेकता में एकता, अलग अलग जाति, धर्म, समुदाय, कम्युनिटी, पूरे भारत देश ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया के लोग इस जगह पर आते हैं। और एक युवा है मेरे साथ, जरूर उनसे बातचीत करेंगे। ये सिन्हा साहब है मेरे सहयोगी। आज सिन्हा साहब जरा दिखाइए, ये राष्ट्रपति भवन को जाने वाली सड़क, कर्तव्य पथ है। ये मेरे दाईं तरफ इंडिया गेट, सामने राष्ट्रपति भवन। और एक युवा जो कि यहाँ पर आज मिले घूमते हुए, जरा केरल के हैं, जरा उनसे बातचीत करेंगे और पूछते हैं जरा। यस, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
माय नेम इज असबा।
ओके, ससबा,
असबा,
असबा, वेरी गुड। Which state you are?
I am from Kerala.
Kerala, very good. So one thing is, what is the meaning of your name, Asba? What's the meaning? Can you define your name?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like beautiful, and it's a light.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a beautiful light. That's that kind of meaning.
What the meaning? Beautiful light.
Beautiful light.
Is it Arabic words or Urdu?
Yeah, it's a Arabic word.
Arabic word है ये। असबा का मतलब सुंदर, beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. It's a beautiful light. Yeah,
अच्छा, ब्यूटीफुल लाइट काइंड ऑफ, एक बहुत सुंदर जीवन। तो जैसे नाम देख सकते हैं, अच्छी खासी हाइट युवा की हैं, और हालांकि हिंदी बहुत कम बोलते हैं। डू यू नो हाउ टू स्पीक हिंदी?
I don't know.
यू नो? ओके, वेरी गुड। दिस इज, जैसे कि मैं बातचीत कर कुछ इनसे बात करने, खास वजह ये जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। युवा हैं जो लैंग्वेज की प्रॉब्लम्स है। जब हम केरल जाते हैं, सो दे स्पीक मलयालम, वेस्ट बंगाल में जाएं बांग्ला, उड़िया में उड़ीसा, अलग अलग 22 जो मानक भाषाएं। आखिर तो बहरहाल ठीक है, अभी तक हिंदी को नेशनल दर्जा नहीं मिल पाया। बड़ी पीड़ा की बात है। कब ऐसा आएगा? अपनी मातृभाषा बोलिए, लेकिन 3 भाषाओं का ज्ञान। डू यू एग्री विद मी? वी शुड हैव द 3 लैंग्वेजेस। वी नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड मदर टंग।
Yeah, we should know that because I am, as of now, I am trying to learn Hindi.
Okay.
But
नहीं, do you agree with me?
yeah. We should. Everyone should know
Hindi.
Hindi
At
because.
we are Indian.
Yeah, we are Indian, so we'll definitely need to know Hindi because it's so popular language that everyone in India a little bit knows Hindi. When especially if the people who comes from south, they are
Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, so many different states.
Yeah. But when it comes to upper part, north side, everyone knows Hindi. So we are so hard to communicate.
Very difficult while. But this is India. We are Indian. Being Indian, we should have that knowledge. और सभी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है हिंदी, और ये तभी हो पाएगा जब ये राष्ट्रीय भाषा घोषित होगी। अभी ये ऑफिशियल है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश। अच्छा, what do you think? What the importance of English? Which so many, when you go Hindi states, some northern side, they believe we maybe become slave again. They are not favor of English. So what do you think?
No, that's I don't support that because everything we know, if we study anything, it's for our beneficial.
At least for students, 2 language, Hindi and English.
Yeah, he should definitely know Hindi and English because we have to. Even if I already came to North, so even the locals does not know English, so it's
you are also difficult in communicating.
I am very difficult in communicating because the local people does not know English very well. Right. So when I am talking, as of now I am studying in Punjab. There is one called
Asba. What you are doing in Punjab?
Yeah, I am studying BTech CSE in Lovely Professional University.
Very good. When did you join? First year?
Yeah, it's my first year, and I am first time coming to Delhi.
Okay, first time coming in Delhi, first time in northern part, Punjab. He is a student of BTech student. BTech कर रहे हैं आप?
Yeah.
पंजाब रहते हैं, जानेंगे पंजाब के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं। So where you are coming right now? Where do you come from right now?
Yeah, I come from Punjab.
Punjab to Delhi.
Punjab to Delhi. I come.
Okay, first describe the Punjab. How many? Since when you are putting on there? Since when you are putting on there and leaving?
Since
you are living in Punjab. How many? Yes.
Yeah, the Punjab is very beautiful actually.
Okay.
But the real problem is that, as I told, language is so problem.
How many months have passed?
Yeah, I only passed like half a month.
हाँ, you are facing a difficulty.
Yeah, but I am trying to learn Hindi, but
Okay.
so many of the local do speak in Punjabi.
Okay.
So even it's so hard if I talk little bit in Hindi, it's so hard to understand.
Achha, honestly speak, you are the BTech students. So many I have seen even, although, what is the level of the students? Are they fully capable to speak English or even not on average?
I think the students know very well. All the students in LPU,
Okay.
I think they knew.
They communicate very
Yeah, they communicate very well.
Okay.
Yeah, the real problem is with the locals.
Okay. युवाओं की बात करो तो युवा लोग बहुत आज की डेट में मोस्टली नो इंग्लिश हिंदी और जाना भी चाहिए, और पुराने नेता जिस हिसाब से मन से बोलते हैं वो खुद नहीं जानते, इसलिए युवाओं को भटकना का प्रयास करते हैं। तो ऐसा ना करें, युवा और कैपेबल टू लर्न लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि युवा इज द सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, ही कैन लर्न एनी लैंग्वेज more and more.
Yeah, I am also currently trying to learn Hindi.
Okay.
And I am also, I'm
Right, very good. Asba, one thing is more, and secondary, you are right now in Kartavya Path, Delhi, India Gate. Very, this place.
Yeah.
Look at the right side. There is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the president of the country, the
most powerful person
powerful
in the world.
one of the head of the country. Right.
Even
You are there. So, what would you like to tell about this place?
It's very beautiful because the entire.
Okay.
It's very beautiful because the entire complex is like heaven. It feels like very calm.
Okay.
Now it's a little rainy and weather is so good.
Okay.
So it's so.
Such a combination of weather, climate, the people.
Yeah.
So, okay, what would you like to tell these people, like sitting here, there, this kind of atmosphere? Okay.
I feel so happy because they are sharing their beautiful memory with their loved ones.
Okay, look at सिन्हा साहब, जरा दिखा इस पार्क की बात करो। इस टाइम भी बूंदाबांदी बारिश चालू हो गई, लेकिन हजारों लोग अभी अपनी वाइफ के साथ, कपल के साथ, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ बैठे हुए नजर में पार्क आ रहे हो। देखो दोनों तरफ लगभग हजारों जोड़े आपको दिखाई देंगे। यदि मैं इसकी बात करूं, इस मैदानों की बात करूं, लोग यहाँ पर आके अपनी मेमोरी शेयर करते हैं। आई थिंक जैसे हमारे आसमा कह रहे हैं, आसमा साहब, these look into there, they are just sitting very calm and what would you like to tell about it?
Yeah, I feel very happy and I see very beautiful about looking them because they are sharing their beautiful.
Okay. The coming days, do you think in coming days you will be the part of like them? Would you like to favor some northern part, some female will support you?
Yeah, everyone should have that desire, but I will.
But do you get this sort of opportunity while in Kerala?
Yeah, I will get, but I don't look that much into girls.
Now you will, when you become the professional after completing your degree, definitely you will.
Yeah, I will definitely marry.
Thank you. Last, in the last words, what would you like to tell? What is your plan to go now? How many?
I came here on today 6 o'clock morning.
Okay.
And I just after came here, I just roam just beside the Juma Masjid.
Okay.
And they told me the Juma Masjid will only open by 11 o'clock. Okay. So I go to the
Red
Fort.
Today.
Okay. Yeah, today. So I go to the Red Fort and just see the Red Fort, and I go to
Very good. What would you like to become your life? Can you tell you what is your journey? What do you become?
Yeah, what's my ambition?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I have to become an entrepreneur. I have to do business.
Business. What you are doing BTech in what trade?
Yeah, I am currently I'm doing in BTech in CSE, but I am more into like business. I have to do a business or entrepreneur thing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. ये थे और युवाओं के लिए what would you like to tell? Would you like to suggest to people should come here? What is message?
Yeah, this part of Delhi is so nice because if we go to that part, it's like little bit local side, but this part is like so good. Everyone should come to here.
Thank you very much. ये थे आसमा जिसे बात कर रहे थे, जैसे बात कर था। भारत देश की संस्कृति आपको देखनी है, तो आइए इन मैदानों में। अभी भी हजारों जोड़े, हजारों लोग अपनी फैमिली, बच्चों के साथ इस जगह पर रहते हैं। बाईं तरफ इंडिया गेट और प्लेन से कई एकड़ का लंबा सा ये मैदान दोनों तरफ, जहाँ पर गिलहरी, पक्षी, बंदर खास यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई देंगे, और बीच बीच में जो तालाब बनी हुई खूबसूरत जगह, कोई भी यहाँ का चार्ज नहीं है, फ्री में यहाँ रखा गया है। और जैसे कि आपको नज़र आ रहे चारों तरफ बैठे लोग, अलग अलग पहनावा, अलग अलग ड्रेस में लोग नज़र आते हैं। और इसी के साथ SK सिन्हा के साथ महेश बहुगुणा, गंगा 24 एक्सप्रेस, दिल्ली। जय हिंद, जय भारत।